Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to restore settings to their original defaults on the Microsoft Edge browser. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the Reset Settings option. Then, choose to restore settings to their original defaults. This will reset your Startup page, New Tab page, Search Engine, and Pinned tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Click on the Reset Settings button.